welcome to my channel. My name is Sapna and today I'm back with another tour video in a vlog format. You guys love vlog videos, so I thought let's do this as a vlog. And before I start the video guys, let me just mention this fact कि मैं जहाँ भी हूँ समझ लो वहाँ पे शोर मचना शुरू हो जाता है. मैं शोर नहीं मचाती, the environment, the surroundings. So you can hear some noises, the drill machine is on, construction is going on. तो अभी तो मैं घर पे हूँ. When I go to my studio, the moment I start doing my YouTube videos, tha tha thoo thoo dee dee, it just starts. So guys, I have accepted this fact. आप भी accept कर लो and please accept my sincere apologies for the background noises. I really can't help it. It is non-stop every single day. I fail to understand when should I sit and do my videos. So I just thought ki whatever it is, I'll try and be loud and clear, but the noises we cannot avoid. So guys, today I'm going to show you guys my living room balcony. It's going to be a balcony tour. I have not done this tour video yet, but I've done a lot of tour videos related to my house. And if you guys haven't watched them, I will try and link them in the description box or somewhere here on the top. Do watch them. So let's start with the tour video quickly. And before that, let me show you guys my living room. Fatafat, a quick overview. Guys, this is my living room. I have done the tour video of my living room. If you guys haven't watched it, do watch it. That's the foyer. And that's just like the living, the dining. So यहाँ से जैसे ही हम इस तरफ आते हैं, we hit the balcony. It's a pretty decent sized balcony. Let me show you. Okay, so the lighting is a little bit of an issue. Somehow it looks dark. So this is the other side. So let me quickly start one by one. Now I love plants. So I have tried my best to have some greenery in the house. All these are natural plants. And one by one, let me quickly show you guys. I will be doing a separate video on plants, indoor plants especially, and their maintenance. So stay tuned for that. These are the plants. जो ये आप stands देख रहे हो iron के white color के, ये सब मैंने customize करवाए हैं. I will let you know where is the best place to get these things done if you live in Delhi or NCR. So all my plants. Now this stand that you see here, it's also an iron stand. I got this off Amazon. So do check my Amazon shop link in the description box. उस पे मैंने ये सारी चीज़ें डाली हुई हैं. I think I have made a category called garden furniture or garden. तो उसमें ये आपको मिल जाएंगे. I got it on a flat 50% from Amazon and I have two of these. So one is on this side. So इस पे मैंने अलग-अलग shapes and sizes and colors के plants रखे हैं. I love plants and little tiny cute like ये hut है. एक hut उस pot में पड़ी है. All these things are from the nursery. You will get it from any local nursery. I buy all my stuff from Gurgaon nurseries. Okay, and similarly एक ये भी है जो stand जब दिखाया था मैंने, इस पे भी मैंने अलग-अलग shapes और sizes के pots रखे हुए हैं. Then some flowers. These flowers are artificial. These are not natural. Rest everything is natural. My favorite areca palms, syngonium, and spider, aloe vera. I don't know the name of that plant, but that's a beautiful plant. Okay, तो ये तो सारे हो गए guys greenery balcony में. This is all aside the railing, and that's our view. It's a beautiful view of our society. I have already done a society tour video as well. That's the pool which is visible from our balcony. Beautiful. All right, now coming on to this side. Now this is something very interesting, guys. ये idea मुझे आया क्योंकि we host a lot of guests, lot of friends, and everybody loves to sit in the balcony. I've seen. So I always wanted to have a mini outdoor bar. This is actually a bar. Let me open and show you guys. Ta-da! So we have not kept too much of stuff because यहाँ dust बहुत ज़्यादा आती है. So just a little lamp which we lit up when we have party in the house and a few glasses. तो ये बार मैंने सिकंदरपुर मार्केट से बनवाया है. तो ये गुड़गांव दिल्ली में एक मार्केट है सिकंदरपुर. वहाँ पे आपको हर चीज़ मिल जाएगी. balcony furniture, garden furniture, normal furniture. You can even get it customized. So I got this bar customized from there. So you can open it. You can place your glasses, your snacks, everything here, and you have a nice place, you know, in the balcony to hang out at. And then ये छोटी-छोटी चीज़ें हैं. I got this planter set from the wishing chair. This is from Bhutan. General, my little snake plant from a nursery. Then I have these bottle corks. These are from Karol Bagh Tip Top Market. You must visit Tip Top Market, guys, in Karol Bagh Delhi. Amazing market. You'll get so much of stuff. So I'll close this. And these are my very funky bar tools. I love these. These are also from Sikanderpur. Let me show you. So इनके नीचे actually cycle के paddles बने हुए हैं which are fixed, they don't move. It's actually your leg rest, and I found it very quirky, very edgy. And उसके ऊपर आपका ये wooden सीट है. जब हमने ये मैंने रेडीमेड खरीदे थे सिकंदरपुर से, बट द सीट वाजंट वेरी स्टर्डी, सो आई गॉट इट चेंज्ड एंड आई टोल्ड द गाय टू गिव मी न्यू wood pieces because I didn't find that sturdy, so I got it remade. And so this is how my, let me just give you guys like a full view. My mini outdoor bar area looks like. And so this is one side of the balcony, guys. Coming on to this side, I have my balcony furniture. So I have these very pretty garden set. I actually have 4 chairs. I've kept 2 here, 2 in the other balcony because we didn't have enough space in this balcony. This is also from Sikanderpur. You will get different colors. I love white. You guys know me. I love white. So I got a white one. You will get brown, red, pink, blue, every color in Sikanderpur. So I just placed these 2 with some cushions and a little bit of, decorative, some flowers. We generally sit here and have our tea. And this is the favorite part of my balcony, my jhula. And it is a double side jhula, and that's our neighbor's balcony. So they also have a similar jhula and a table set, and they also got it from the same guy. We gave the reference, and now we have similar looking balconies, which is wonderful. So this is a double size jhula. You also get a single size jhula, 1-seater. This is 2-seater. तो इसका जो ये गद्दा आप देख रहे हो, the guy made it for us, but the fabric is what I gave him because his fabric was very tacky, very synthetic-y. This is proper cotton, but ये fade हो रहा है धूप में. It's been 1 year, so I don't think it's a bad deal. अब मैं इसको change कराऊंगी. So ये fade हो रहा है, and otherwise it's a very soft, nice fabric. He made the cushions, and these 2 cushions, the brown, the beige ones that you see, I got from Whites of London. Whites of London, maybe you get some amazing stuff. Sorry for the noises, guys. Can't help it. I really feel very irritated, but can't help it. And I have my tulsi plant here. And yeah, so this is pretty much, guys, a very quick tour of my living room balcony. Don't forget to check my Amazon shop link in the description box if you wish to buy some balcony and garden stuff. Well, guys, so in all this noise, I just managed to give you guys tour of my living room balcony. I hope you guys liked it. It's very easy, very basic. So Sikanderpur market, which is in Delhi Gurgaon के border पे ही पड़ती है somehow. So that's a sorry. So that's a wonderful market from where you can get a lot of balcony related furniture, garden furniture, general furniture. They customize as per your need. I won't say the quality is very top class, but it's pretty decent. I've got so much of stuff made from there, which is fine. And सिकंदरपुर ज़रूर जाओ अगर आपको ऐसा फर्नीचर चाहिए और झूला बनवाना है, whatever you'll get. There are ample of shops. It's an open market. बस आपको वॉक करना है और किसी भी शॉप पे आप जा सकते हो. एंड ये जो मैंने प्लांट स्टैंड दिखाए हैं, दीज आर फ्रॉम अमेजॉन. चेक माई अमेजॉन लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, वहाँ से आप खरीद सकते हो. एंड करोल बाग टिप टॉप मार्केट इज अ ग्रेट प्लेस टू गेट ऑल दीज छोटा मोटा quirky stuff to decorate and just pep up your living space. So guys, this is it about my balcony tour video. I hope you guys liked it, enjoyed it, showed a big thumbs up, leave your comments, share this video, watch my other videos, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Till then, bye, love you guys.